Let me introduce my company. We are silica sand process equipment manufacturer. Our main equipment: quartz slab sand making machine, glass sand processing equipment, sand washing and classifying machine, magnetic separator, and so on. We supply single equipment as well as whole production line. We have professional engineer who can design the layout for you. Look, our staff are coming towards you. They have rich manufacturing experience. After engineers design the drawings, they will manufacture the equipment according to the drawings. They work carefully and pursue perfection. The company is equipped with advanced machine tool processing equipment to ensure accurate cutting. Please enjoy our finished product. This is the glass sand production line we provide to our customers.